So this is our whole testing setup. Whenever we get a motor into test, we put it on this dynamometer board so that we can test for speed, current, torque, and thrust. That way we can get better information for the consumer so they have a more informed decision on what they can buy. So when we get a new motor in, we want to see how it operates, what kind of numbers we're looking at, what kind of data we're pulling. So the first thing we do is we put on this drill press. We can test the kV really easily, spin it at a nice RPM, read any voltage values out. So we do a kV test. Then we put our motor on our test bench for our dynamometer. Before each test, we calibrate the test bench to make sure we're getting accurate thrust and weight measurements on there. This is done through just some simple 200-gram weights that we place on there. This way we can assure that testing numbers are going to be accurate as possible. So this test bench can measure in 3 different dimensions, so we can accurately measure our torque and our thrust. We have the largest load cell measuring our thrust, so we can get a nice accurate value on that. And all the data is data logged directly into our PC into a CSV file for easy calculations. For the data logging, we sample very quickly, where we're able to write a script to make sure that every single test we run on each motor is consistent, clean, and is getting the same data sample points that we're looking for.